Hi. So I just found this news while scrolling Twitter ki X ki Google View 3 is free for this weekend. So I thought let's try and share also with you people and let's see. View 3 fast preview brings idea. So I'm assuming that this is up. I'll just check a photo. I don't have good photos, so I'll select this. What can we do? Okay, let's Google VEO 3 prompts for Instagram. Let's say for Instagram. And second thought, let's just leave it. We'll just write something of our own. So use the image and prepare a short 5-second video of a zoom out with blast as a background. So let's see how good or bad is it. And I don't know how much time it takes. I'm using this for the first time. Generating a video, this could take a few minutes, so check back to see when your video is ready. Can't generate that video, describe another video. Also get tips from how to write prompts. Every time something or the other thing happens. Let's take, okay. Create a short 5 to not 5. Let's say we'll say 10 seconds. 10 seconds video of this cafe. People buying coffee. I should have written in coffee and moving in as well as moving out. Where is we? Moving out. And okay, it should be smooth. And very important line: do not make any mistakes. Make it ultra high, not hiding. Make it in the same theme as the. Let's see. I don't think coffee should violate their community guidelines, but yeah, this should be reasonable. This can take from 1 to 2 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll cut the video and I'll move to the point of video being generated after video is generated. Like, okay, so I'm re-recording this part because video के background noise की वजह से my mic was not work, मतलब mic की आवाज़ नहीं आ रही थी. So I'll just play this video again for you. So it has all this background noise as well. So this is it. You just have to go to this URL. I'll give you this URL in the description of the video. You can just go and you can try it for yourself. Mind that this is only free for this weekend, as in till 24th of August. If you try it on 25th August, you still might be able to do it for some time, but not after that. So make full use of it and try it now. And please consider subscribing, and we'll see you soon again. Bye bye.